Hello everyone, we have finished exercise 3.1 in our previous videos and we are continuing with the chapter of pair of linear equations in two variables, and we have now to do exercise 3.2. The first question, it says form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. And it has two parts. So first part says 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Let's start solving. So we have 10 students, so we have girls and boys, so we have to assume, so let the number of boys be x and the number of girls be y. Okay, now let's make the question. There were 10 students, right? So first equation would be x plus y is equal to 10. Second equation, they say if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So number of girls y is equal to 4 more than the number of boys. So this is my second equation. Here I will have y is equal to 10 minus x. So these are the algebraic representations. Now let's find out the coordinates, because we have to solve these equations graphically. So y, if my x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 10. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 9. And if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 8. So I got the three coordinates. Let's put it in the table form. So we have x here and y here. So x I took as 0, 1 and 2, and y I got as 10, 9 and 8. Let's go to the second equation. Second equation is y is equal to 4 plus x. So if x is equal to 0 here, then my y would be equal to 4. If x is equal to 1, then y would be equal to 5. If x is equal to 2, then y would be equal to 6. So I got the three coordinates here. Let's put it in the table form, this also. So x and y. So if x is equal to 0, 1 and 2, I have 4, 5 and 6. Now let's put them on the graph paper. Let me mark the coordinates. These are my coordinate axes. X, this is my origin, and y, this is, okay. Now scale first I have to write down according to the coordinates I need to plot. So I think for x-axis and y-axis I can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. That I can do for both axes, right? Okay. Now we have this as 1, 3, 5, 7. This would be minus 1, minus 3, and so on. Then I have this side, this would be minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, and so on. This side I have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Let's mark the coordinates for the first line now. So we have 0 and 10 would be this point. Then I have 1 and 9. 1 and 9 would be this point. Then I have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 would be this point. Let's join these points for the first line. So this line is x plus y is equal to 10. Now let's move to the second equation. So coordinates are 0 and 4. So this is my point 0 and 4. Then I have 1 and 5. This is my 1 and 5. And 2 and 6. So 2 and 6. These are my 3 points. Now let's join these points. So we have joined these points and we can see that these are intersecting lines. This is my another line. Y is equal to 4 plus x. So now where these intersecting lines meet will be the solution of these two equations. Let's join the points. So I can see that this is my 3 and this is my 7. So these are intersecting at point. So this point is 3 and 7. So from this I can figure out that my solution of these two equations is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. So this is how we find out the solution graphically. Now second part, it says 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Now we have to find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. So let's find the solution and assume the cost of one pencil. The cost of one pencil lead is equal to rupees x and the cost of one pen b, okay, rupees y, correct. Now let's make the equation. They say 5 pencils, so 5 pencils will be 5x and 7 pens will be 7y. They are costing together 50. And in second situation we have 7 pencils, so 7x and 5 pens plus 5y is costing 46. So we have represented the situation algebraically. Now let's find out the coordinates to find out the solution graphically. So now here 7y is equal to 50 minus 5x. Y is equal to 5 is common, 10 minus x by 7. In this case I have 5y is equal to 46 minus 7x. Y is equal to 46 minus 7x by 5. Let's find out different solutions. So if x is equal to 3, then y would be equal to 5 into 10 minus 3 by 7. So I have y is equal to 5, right? 7 will get cancelled. Now if x is equal to minus 4, I can take. I'm just trying to take the number so that it becomes divisible by 7. So I'll get a whole number or integer, correct? So now y is equal to 5 into 10 plus 4 by 7. So I get y is equal to 10 here. Now if x is equal to minus 11, I can take. So y would be equal to 5 into 10 plus 11 by 7. So y is equal to, this will be 21, so 3 times, so y will be equal to 15. So I have found out 3 values for this equation. Now let's move to second equation. Second equation I can take, if x is equal to 1, so y would be equal to 46 minus 7 by 5. So y would be equal to 46 minus 7 is 39, 39 by 5. So I'll have 7.8, right? If x is equal to 2, then y would be equal to 46 minus 7 into 2, so 14 by 5. So I'll get y is equal to 232 by 5, so 6 times and 4 times, right? Okay, if x is equal to 3, then y would be equal to 46 minus 21, right? 7 into 3 is 21, so then we have divided by 5, so I get y is equal to 25 by 5, so I'll get as 5. So okay, I have found out all the 3 coordinates, x and their corresponding y. Then let's make the table now. So xy here, I took it as 3 minus 4 minus 11. Corresponding values I got as 5, 10 and 15. 5, 10 and 15. Here x and y, so here I took x as 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, and I got the corresponding values as 7.8, 6.4, 7.8, 6.4 and 5 here. So we have found the coordinates, 3 coordinates for both the equations, or now we can go on the graph paper and let's plot the points and draw the lines, find the solution. So this is my graph paper, x-axis and y-axis. So scale would be 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit for both axes. Now let's mark on the number line. So this would be 1. I have marked accordingly because I will just need these coordinates for x, and here I have minus 1, then minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9 and minus 11. Okay, now for y-axis this would be minus 2, minus 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Right, so I have marked my coordinate axis properly. Now let's mark the points of first equation. For first line we have first coordinate is 3 and 5, first coordinate, right? Then we have minus 4 and 10. So we got this coordinate. Then we have minus 11 and 15. So minus 11, let's go up. So minus 11 and 15. Now these are the 3 points of the first line. Let's join that. So this is my one line, 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Let's plot the points for the second equation now. Second line we have 1 and 7.8. So 1 and 7.8. So this would be 7, this is 8. So here I have this point. Then 2 and 6.4. So 2 and this is my 6 and 0.4, right? Okay. Then we have 3 and 5. So same coordinate as the previous one. So we know this will be intersecting at this point. Let's make the line for the second equation. So we got the second line. So second line is 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. So 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. These are my two lines, and we know that it is intersecting at, this is at 3 and this is my 5. Okay, so now we know the solution for this equation would be the coordinates of the intersecting point is 3 and 5. Answer for this question is 3 and 5. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Those are the coordinates for the intersecting of these two lines. Okay, now we have finished both the parts of this question. We'll do the next question in the next video. So see you. Stay tuned.